Dwarf Picks is the first game in the Hero Picks universe. It's a game of dice and decisions, where the choices you choose roll dice and determine the outcomes of each encounter and eventually the game. Right now, what you see of the game that's playable is a prototype that we've put together that shows the basic game loop of the rogue. It doesn't have the exact game rules that we have for our game design, but it gets the basic premise across, which is what we're hoping is enough to get us moved to the next level. The way we plan on monetizing this game is with voluntary ads that can be watched before a run to give a bonus. This will be a minor bonus and not a game-changing bonus. We plan to have a 99-cent option where you can just remove that ad and always have the bonus on, which is also the model we'll be using for the Steam store and other places where we will have to sell a copy because we're prohibited to advertise. Our app is going to be designed to collect no user data that's not voluntarily given related to the runs of the game so that we can determine where we're failing in difficulties or dice rolls or where people are just stopped playing. No data will be sold to third parties. The game has been in development for a few years as far as systems and how the mechanics would work and what things will be named, because even the names in our current app aren't the real names that we're using. We've got a much better, more kind of humorous tinge to how every encounter is named. Once we're a little further along in development and have a slightly better prototype to show people, we plan on launching a Kickstarter to fund the code generation we need for the whole system and the art assets and music assets that will need to be generated for the project. We just want to make a great, fun game that's free to play, and if you watch an ad, it's a little bit easier. We're trying to make our monetization as non-predatory as possible, making it voluntary for the ads, voluntary to remove them, being able to play the game without watching the ads, without restriction. We're trying to be a really ethical developer when it comes to monetization and use of technology and how we're doing things. We've used a lot of AI art assets to just show the product because if we hadn't used those, then it would have just been basically wireframes and hopefully people's imaginations were good enough. But the AI images we use really seem to get more attention towards the project so that then we can take the money we're going to make from this and fund real artists to do real work. Neither of us in this project have a lot of disposable income, really much at all. So this has been done completely on a shoestring budget. We're just trying to bring this project over the finish line so that we can, really show the world what it is that we've been working on and how cool we think it is. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, like and subscribe, follow the page, let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching Dwarf Picks!